Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is another bonus episode, but it is a sad bonus episode. I'm just letting you guys know that I'm flying a drone over the weekend in Algonquin Park, and sad thing happened. I crashed my drone. So what happened actually is, you don't fly on rivers like water, like too low on the water, because the sensor underneath is getting confused. So while flying above the water, the sensor is confused because of the moving or the flow of the water. So it doesn't recognize if it is a still ground or moving thing. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but I watched it on YouTube that the sensor get confused sometimes. So what happened is, like, it goes sideways and go up suddenly, hit the trees, fall into the river. Luckily it got caught on the in between the rocks. It just stayed there. It didn't go with the flow of water. So I go down, pick it up, try to pick it up. In my mind, at least, like, I just need to get the memory card. That's it. I know my drone is done. I know it can be repaired, but it's gonna cost me for the repair. So I was thinking like buying a new one. So I'm gonna show you guys the damage. So it has a crack here and too many scratches here. There's a crack also here, and it was soaked on water. But good news is it still works. So what I did, I put it like I tried to dry it. Like, I carry it the whole time, like 2 hours walking, because we're doing hiking on Algonquin Park, and I tried to dry it with like shaking it so at least the water will come out. And I was so disappointed because I was thinking like, yeah, it's done, the drone is done. I didn't buy the warranty for this one, like the carry fresh of DJI. So it was like, oh my god, that's the biggest mistake I ever done. I blow dry it, put the silica gel inside the battery thing, and put it under rice, like the usual drying thing we do for 24 hours overnight. Let's try. Hopefully it flies because it's too dark. I don't know if it's gonna fly. And let's try. Yay! It worked! It works. Hedwig 2.0 is working. Yay! So I haven't fully flown it for like long range and high altitude because I don't have time yet, but as soon as I get a time to fly it outside, I'm gonna show you guys. Let's see what happens, because I don't think so this is like 100% the same as before, because it was soaked in water and it has a crack on the shell, but that one is repairable. I can put a glue on that one and it will be like nothing happened.